While spring cleaning, I found a dusty photo album. Flipping through the pages was like time travel, but time had been harsh. The photos were yellowed, and the faces were fading away. Deep inside, I found a black and white photo of my late mother. Her face was blurry. I could barely see her smile. I wanted to see her clearly one more time. So I scanned it with an AI app and pressed Restore. The result brought tears to my eyes. It sharpened her eyes and turned her gray clothes into beautiful pink. It felt like she was alive, looking right at me. Scenario 1, Restoration. Just upload your old B&W photo. AI analyzes the lighting of that era and brings the colors back. It's like magic. Scenario 2, Old Diaries. Can't read your old handwriting? AI converts your scribbles into digital text, so they are safe forever. You can even speak to AI to write your autobiography. Bank accounts disappear when spent, but memories last forever. Take out your dusty albums today. Build your own life museum with AI. Next time, we will learn how to put the phone down and enjoy nature with Digital Detox.